Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can create a scheduled Discord server. So this is live now for everyone. Before that, this offer is or this feature is not available for all the server, but recently I received a email from the Discord. Now this feature is available for all the server. How you can do it? First of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account, and then you have to create a new server, or simply you have to select any server that you have created before. So once you will do it, here you will see three lines, three dot icon, and here you will see create event option. Tap on it, and once you will do it, here you will see two option, voice channel, somewhere else. So select any and click on the journal and click on the next. So here, from here you can enter a topic, and here you have to enter the start date and the start time, and here you have to enter the description. And once you will do it, click on the next. Okay, once you will click on the next, and you have to click on the create event. So once you will do it, your event will be create. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.